So this is your second time attending the Georgia Medtech Innovation Summit. What brings you back and how do you see the event evolving?
Well, I had the opportunity to contribute to the programming, and last year was a big success for its inaugural meeting. This year, this meeting is even bigger. We have more international attendees, more clinicians, but more importantly, a number of startup companies that came for the pitch competition, which was massive with, I think, over 20 companies. And I think the mix of companies, investors, clinicians, talking science, and the business component was very, very unique and definitely even bigger success than last year.
At this year's summit, you're speaking about interventional heart failure as an emerging discipline. What makes this field so important and what drives your personal passion for it?
I think interventional heart failure it's a burgeoning field, so it's growing because there's a need for it from a patient perspective, and there's a number of technologies just hitting this market because the unmet need is being met by industry, by scientists to try to fix the problem of heart failure. Now, interventional heart failure allows us to get the therapies to the patients by combining the structural and interventional components of the cath lab together with the heart failure space. Now, I think that space, while it's growing, has also some growing pains, as in many of the discussion points were surrounding how do we actually get those therapies to patients, and are we having the workforce that actually is going to support the interventional heart failure space. That was one big discussion topic.
Mm-hmm. And what excites you most about working with early stage medical device technologies in the heart failure space?
The amount of novel ideas coming to the market, the surprising ingenuity, the approach to heart failure, which is never going to be an easy problem to tackle. So I think the amount of cardiac and extracardiac therapies are just very exciting. The ability to test things in humans very early on where standard therapies have failed. I mean, that's what device-based therapies are often at least thought of initially, is that we get to treat patients that just simply didn't see the benefit from drug-based interventions. And that's what excites me about testing that in patients early and seeing it all the way through the clinical trials that lead to approval.